Okay, let's talk about the biggest mistake I see people making with print on demand. And I see it all the time. People in the comments, on the Discord servers, or on Reddit, all asking the same question. How are you guys making any profit? Then you ask where they're selling or trying to sell, and they'll tell you Etsy, Amazon, or maybe even eBay. And that is the exact reason they can't make a profit. And it sucks because they've gone through the effort of designing prints, they've uploaded them to their print on demand account, and then they head over to Etsy to list it. So why is this an issue? Whether it's Etsy, Amazon, or eBay, you will be in a race to the bottom.
You thinking what I'm thinking, partner? Aim for the bushes.
If you go on Etsy right now and look at the t-shirts, you'll see endless number of listings, and you'll notice the prices. They're all around $15. Most of the time, these sellers aren't even doing print on demand. They're either selling items they've bought in bulk from China, or they're printing the shirts themselves on cheap blanks they get for $2 a pop. Either way, you cannot compete with these prices. So let's use the best case scenario. You have Printful Growth, and that's a premium membership where you have like the regular shirts, but they're printed and shipped for around $10. You'll only have pennies of profit left after Etsy takes their fees, and at that point, a single return is going to wipe out maybe 10 sales worth of profits.
You're broke!
So in that scenario, to make a sensible profit, you'll need to put your prices at around $25 a shirt. Now, in most people's eyes, $25 isn't a lot of money for a t-shirt, but when you see 100 listings, all for $15, and then you see one for $25, you're just instantly put off. And that is the biggest reason that most people who start a print-on-demand business will fail. They fail at the final hurdle. And I do get why people do it. A lot of beginners believe that Etsy or Amazon are the easiest starting points. And in terms of actually making a listing, yeah, they are the easiest. You will get instant traffic just by being there. But what they don't realize is that everyone else had the same idea. So instead of getting a big piece of the pie, you'll just be one of the thousands fighting for the absolute crumbs. And these platforms, they reward low prices, so you're just going to be competing with factories, really, not fellow creators. This isn't a business model, this is just a slow death and a waste of time. So you can avoid all of this, and it's quite simple. In a world where the average screen time is over 7 hours a day and social media takes up a huge chunk of that, it has never been easier to drive traffic to your own website for free. And yes, it does take a bit more effort to build a Shopify store than it does to list something on Etsy or Amazon, but that's exactly why it works. Most people won't bother doing it. So if you're relying on Etsy, eBay, or Amazon for your print-on-demand store, you are literally planning to fail before you've even started. Once you have your own website though, you can set your prices however you want. $25 t-shirts, totally fine. No one's gonna bat an eye. So when someone lands on your store's homepage, they're not comparing your prices to 100 other listings. They're comparing between your designs. They're buying into your brand, not just your product. This is you representing yourself as a brand, and you're not just another seller. At that point, it's not about the cost, it's about the environment and the perceived value. That's what you having your own store allows you to build, your own environment and your own value system. So when someone's visiting your store, they subconsciously accept that this is the place where t-shirts cost $25.
I'll make that deal. How about you, Udovich? You make that deal?
I make that deal.
They're not thinking about the price, they're simply browsing your product, or they're looking for the shirt they saw on their Instagram feed. And once you've built that funnel and you have people on your website, you've already won. And from here, you can start running deals, buy 2 shirts, get the third half price, free shipping on orders of 3 or more shirts, simple things like that. And it's all about momentum, so eventually you'll be able to integrate your Instagram directly and show real customer photos on your store. This builds trust, and you will notice a massive increase in your website's performance, your conversion rates, all of that. And once the momentum hits, you will sort of stop chasing sales. It'll all be about optimizing your website's performance, and then it's all about focusing on content creation, really. The reality is most people just go to Etsy, they list maybe 5 or 6 designs. People don't see them as a brand, they see them as just another seller. They get few sales, they might get their profits wiped out by a return, and then they just say that, well, print on demand doesn't work. How is anyone making any money? The reality is it's not the model that doesn't work, it's just that their model doesn't work. They didn't take the final step. They don't treat print on demand as a business, they treat it as an asset for their selling on Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. They need to build an audience, they need to be posting on social media, they need to be testing designs, and that's when things will start to compound. It is slow at first, but when it starts rolling, it really rolls. Over my first year of doing print on demand, my average sales profit per month was between $500 and $600, but then in the second year, it started bringing me in well over $5,000 of profit every month, consistently. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. If you're serious about print on demand, you cannot rely on platforms that are built to make the cheapest seller win. Build your own space, build your own brand, and take control of your pricing, your marketing, and your profit margins. If you want to see how I did this, my exact method I used to grow my store, check out the video linked below. In it, I go over everything from building a Shopify store, designing t-shirt prints, and to the exact strategy I used to grow my store's Instagram account. So far in 2025, this store has done over £100,000 of sales, and that's with about a 45% profit margin, all organic, zero ad spend. So that's all for this video. If you found this interesting, check out my other videos. If you're interested, I've started a Discord server. This will be the fastest way to ask me any questions. If you don't use Discord, just leave some comments below and I'll get back to you down there. As always, greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting weekly. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.